Yes, students, next video with respect to vapor pressure, that is lowering of vapor pressure. How vapor pressure get lowered when we add non-volatile, non-ionizable solute in the solvent. Actually, lowering of vapor pressure. In this lowering of vapor pressure, lowering of vapor pressure. The pressure which is to be formed, which is to be arises with respect to vapors from that type of uh, solvent, which is volatile solvent. If volatile solvent consists of non-volatile solute, then all non-volatile solutes are placed at the surface part. Suppose if it is pure solvent, then when we apply such type of experiment, all pure solvent get escaped from the surface. When escaping particles are greater, vapor particles are also greater. And vaporization phenomenon, this phenomenon is vaporization. And when we conclude all types of vapors are present at the top side of the lid on this pure solvent, then condensation also takes place. Vaporization and condensation at a particular temperature when it is in equilibrium state. जब भी वेपर्स कलेक्ट होंगे ऊपर साइड में upper part of the liquid, and again condensation gets started. Condensation and vaporization, both the phenomena at equilibrium position at a particular temperature and pressure particular constant, at constant temperature and pressure, the vapor arises a pressure, that is vapor pressure of pure solvent, it is to be denoted as P1 naught. P1 naught is vapor pressure of pure solvent. When we add non-volatile solute also occupy on the surface of the level. So many non-volatile solutes are there. जो भी मैंने आपको डार्क सर्कल बता रहा हूँ, ये डार्क सर्कल नॉन वोलाटाइल solute particles, and open circle volatile solvent. Actually, very small amount of solute particles added into pure solvent, it becomes a solution. Actually, vaporization takes place by only solvent part. At the upper part, these vapors are only vapors of solvent, and amount of vapor get decreases because escaping particle decreases. On the surface, escaping particle decreases. When escaping particle decreases, amount of vapor decreases, then vapor pressure also get lowered. This vapor pressure, that is vapor pressure of pure solvent, and P1 is vapor pressure of solution containing non-volatile solute. Non-volatile and non-ionizable. Non-ionizable means what? Glucose is non-ionizable, urea is non-ionizable, and NaCl, it is ionizable salt. when you are adding non-ionizable salt considered as a one molecule, it is not to be ionized. But you are adding NaCl, then NaCl gives two ions. One stoichiometric part, NaCl gives two ions. And you know that in a colligative properties, if number of ions or number of particle increases in this solution, then osmotic pressure or any type of boiling point elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, or lowering of vapor pressure, these are the colligative properties. These number of solute particles affects on colligative property, because colligative property is defined as property which depends upon number of solute particles. So to study actual colligative property, you must take non-volatile solute, which is non-electrolyte or non-ionizable. Ionization increases number of solute particles. So this P1 and P1 naught, here P1 naught is greater, vapor pressure of pure solvent is greater than vapor pressure of solution containing non-volatile solute. It is greater than this, and difference in between them, P1 naught minus P1, is known as delta P. It is lowering of vapor pressure, difference in the vapor pressure. Vapor pressure of pure solvent get decreases when we add non-volatile solute in it. Delta P is equal to P1 naught minus P1. It is delta P. This is also known as lowering of vapor pressure. Lowering of vapor pressure. It is the point. P1 naught minus P1, lowering of vapor pressure. Here again one of the point is coming after this lowering of vapor pressure, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative, आपको किसी से relate करना है. Relative lowering of vapor pressure means relative lowering of vapor pressure means what? This relative lowering of vapor pressure, it means that the ratio of relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure. This relative lowering of vapor pressure means, that is lowering of vapor pressure divided by vapor pressure of pure solvent, delta P upon P1 naught, or delta P is equal to P1 naught minus P1 upon P1 naught. P1 naught minus P1 upon P1 naught, it is relative lowering of vapor pressure, RLVP.